Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let us begin the session now. Again, the last slide we already had a thank you slide. However, I thought you can make the thank you slide more interesting or more informative just by adding more information, that is the contact information, so that at the end of the presentation or anything, if they like your presentation, then they have this number or they have access to the information regarding to your office, where is it located, all these things. So that is also very simple. I'll just draw a simple line here. So below this line will be the contact information. I'll just make the line dotted so that it looks nice. Yeah, this should do the job. Let me just add some text boxes here. Say my name Shubham Naik, some mail ID, some random number. Not sure if there are 10 numbers as well. Yeah. So once this is done, I'd probably want to add my teammate's number as well. So this is how it would look. Again, we have gone through how to align these things and all. I'll just be aligning these things. I'll be distributing them. Yeah, so we can add 3 team member information here. Say I'm working from Vannalli Beach, Kumta. So I'll just type this in Google. I get this image. I'll just copy this through print screen. I'll paste it here. I'll crop this image again. After cropping this, I'll probably place it like this just to give a indication of map view. I'll also circle my address here with a pink or yellowish circle. Let me make it little smaller in the size, 0.4. Yeah, so this portion has been highlighted. If you want, you can add the address information here. I'll just be filling out some random information here, this and some pin code. Again, you can readjust this based on the information or the address lines that you have. You can make the whole map view smaller, and towards right we can put all your social media handles, LinkedIn handles, all these things. So this will be something like linkedin.com/ something. Same way, I'll make 4 copies of it: Facebook, Instagram, then there is Twitter. Let me just change this URL as well. Yeah, and I can even make sure that the gap between these URLs is spacious enough. Yeah, this is more or less taken care of. I'll just color these things with the URL colors. Yeah, this is a simple thank you slide which you can use. Let me even draw a line here just for the distinction purpose. Yeah, I'll again color it with same color that was used for this particular line. And yeah, this I can even add some icons here just to make it look more attractive. Say something like this. So again, I can align these things. Now if I go to images and just search for Facebook, I'll get this logo. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Yeah, then the LinkedIn, I'll again copy it and paste it here. This is the one. Then Instagram, same thing with the Twitter. Yeah, this is your thank you slide. Yeah, we have covered the basic PPT, basic slides now. I'll remove this slide. I'll move the reference slide to top. This thank you slide is also complete. Now let me go to the index slide and finish this for good. So why is index slide essential? Say you have slides of say greater than 10 in number, or say something like 20 slides. Then some people might be interested in viewing only certain portion. So if you put a index and if you make it easier enough for them to navigate to that particular slide directly, then it would be in the benefit of the reader as well, right? Or the person who is going through your presentation. So I'll show you how do you make a index slide as well. You just choose the oval from the shapes. You go to the fill portion and fill it with, let's say, yellow color. I change the font here, make it 12. I change the text color as well. I'll reduce the size to 0.5. So 1. I'll highlight the or make the number 1 bolder. Yeah, once this is done, I want more of this, so these many. Again, you know the drill. You select these things, you align them to the left, you again distribute these things vertically. Once this is done, you need certain text here. So say introduction, I'm adding it here just for reference now. You do that, then you would probably want to write the page number for everyone to easily navigate, something like 1. Once this is taken care of, our first slide according to index is about us. Let me just change it to that, and it is in the third slide. Yeah, let me actually remove these number markers. Let me club this. Let me align this primarily in the middle. Once this is done, let me arrange and group them. Once this is done, I'll make the copy of the whole thing. Now I'll align these things towards the left. Then I distribute them vertically. This is done. I'll align the whole thing to center. So you have the third slide to be about us. Then team slide is the fifth one. Then we have problem statement slide. This is the sixth slide. Then we have solution slide. This is the eighth slide. Then we have USP, unique selling point. Let me actually capitalize all the first letters of the word. We have this at the 10th slide. We have testimonials at the 11th slide. Then we have references at the 12th slide. Let me correct the spelling as well. So once this is done, I'll essentially ungroup these things so I can pick up individual slides now. Say this is the page number for about us. First slide of about us starts here. What I can do is I can click on this. I can go for more here. I can click on the insert link button. So here I get an option to basically add slide 3, slide 1, slide 2, like that. So I can add slide 3 here. So now what happens is if I click on this and if I click on here, it automatically takes me to slide 3. Same way I can do it for all other slides as well. Same drill, same process. Yeah. Once this is done, your index and everything is complete. Let us actually walk through the entire presentation we have created together so far. So this is the introduction slide or the title slide we had created, which is about what is this presentation all about. This is the index slide. If someone wants to have a brief summary of what is present in this slide, he can go through this. If he wants to say navigate to a particular content only, he can do through the index slide as well. Then we have About us, it is all about the company, or say about the people who are doing a particular project. About that, again another about us slide, mainly specific to company requirements. In this case, we do have a team slide which tells us who all are the people, say, involved in this particular project, who are building the product, all those things. Then we have the problem statement, the problem we are trying to solve. It talks about that. The slides can be used in your presentations anywhere, say whenever you are defining the problem, or the sub parts of the problem as well. Another problem statement slide is what we have here. Then we go to the solution slide, that is after the problem has been defined, we need to tell the solution. This is one sample. We have another. Once the solution is has been told, you have to tell why you are unique, or what is your unique selling point. That is defined through this particular slide. Then you have testimonials that you collect from your clients, where your existing clients. Once this is done, we have added a separate reference section for all the images that we have used in this presentation. So this is just to make sure that the images that we have used, whoever has created those images, the attribution, or the, say, legally they own these pictures, so we have to attribute it to them. That is one. Say you liked everything, you get to the thank you and contact us slide, and you contact us. So this is your full and final presentation. Thank you for staying through till this, and also do let me know on what subjects you would like me to make videos on, so that I can also prepare more videos on such subjects, and it will be helpful to you as well. Do share it with your friends, family, whoever you think will benefit from these videos. I would be making more videos about, say, how to use certain graphs in such certain situations, or say how to tell a story through presentations, or say how to make a pilot report. Say you have done a pilot with some of your clients, how do you make a report out of that, and many more things. Do let me know what you feel. If you have any feedback also, let me know, so that I can work upon it. Thank you and congrats on completing this video session. Do like and subscribe to keep yourself appraised about upcoming videos from my end. See you in the next one.